Mornings can feel like a stop-motion movie gone wrong. Frantic, rushed, and chaotic. It's as if every second is a new frame, and you're the main character trying to keep up as the world spins around you. The kitchen is a mess, the clock is ticking, and everyone seems to be in a hurry. It's easy to feel overwhelmed before the day has even begun. The alarm buzzes, and suddenly you're scrambling to get dressed, find your keys, and maybe grab a bite. You're juggling a million things at once, packing lunches, checking emails, and making sure you haven't forgotten anything important. It's a race against time, and sometimes it feels like you're losing before you even start. In this whirlwind, finding time for makeup can seem impossible. The vanity is cluttered, products are scattered, and you wonder if it's even worth the effort. But a few minutes for yourself can make all the difference, even on the busiest mornings. But what if you could look fresh and put together in just a few minutes? Imagine stepping out the door feeling ready to take on the day, no matter how hectic your morning has been. This guide is your secret weapon for chaotic mornings. A super simple routine to help you feel confident and ready, fast. Think of it as your morning superpower, giving you a boost when you need it most. Makeup isn't about changing who you are, it's a quick boost of self-expression and confidence. Even a touch of color or a swipe of mascara can help you feel more awake and put together, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. We'll focus on the essentials, products that give you the most impact in the least time. No need for a complicated routine or a dozen different products, just the basics that work for you, so you can get out the door feeling your best. Forget complicated techniques. Let's make mornings smoother and more graceful. With a few simple steps, you can transform your routine and start your day with a smile, even when everything else feels out of control. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these steps will help you reclaim your mornings. You'll discover that a little bit of effort goes a long way, and you don't have to sacrifice self-care for speed. Let's dive into quick makeup hacks for even the busiest days. With these tips, you'll be ready to face whatever your morning throws at you, looking and feeling your best no matter what. Before you even think about makeup, it's essential to prep your canvas, your skin. Taking a few moments to care for your skin not only helps your makeup look better, but also keeps your complexion healthy in the long run. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and any leftover makeup from the day before. This step ensures you're starting with a fresh, clean base, which is key for smooth makeup application. Next, moisturize, ideally with a product that contains SPF. This hydrates your skin, locks in moisture, and protects you from sun damage, all in one easy step. Even if you're staying indoors, SPF is important for shielding your skin from harmful rays. Well-moisturized skin looks plumper, feels softer, and helps your makeup glide on more evenly. Plus, it helps your makeup last longer throughout the day, so you won't need as many touch-ups. If you have a few extra seconds, apply a primer. Primer smooths out your skin's texture, blurs pores, and creates a barrier between your skin and makeup, helping everything stay put and look flawless. You only need a pea-sized amount for your whole face. Just dab it on your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, then blend it out gently with your fingers. These 3 steps, cleansing, moisturizing with SPF, and priming, take less than 2 minutes, but make a world of difference in how your makeup looks and feels. Prepping your skin means you'll need less makeup overall, and you'll achieve a more natural, radiant finish that lets your real skin shine through. It's a small investment of time for a big payoff. Your skin will thank you, and your makeup will look its best. Remember, a well-prepped face is the true foundation of a quick, beautiful look, no matter your style or routine. Now that your skin is ready, let's move on to creating an even base for your makeup masterpiece. With your skin prepped and hydrated, it's time to create a smooth, even base for the rest of your makeup. This step is all about enhancing your natural beauty, not masking it. Instead of reaching for a heavy foundation, opt for a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. These products offer lightweight, breathable coverage that lets your skin shine through, while still evening out your complexion. Squeeze a small amount onto your fingertips, then dot it onto your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Using your fingers, gently blend the product outward, working it into your skin for a natural, seamless finish. The warmth of your hands helps the product melt in, making it look like a second skin. Take your time blending, especially around the edges of your face and jawline, to avoid any harsh lines. Next, grab your concealer. Use it only where you need a little extra help. Under your eyes to cover dark circles, around your nose to hide redness, or on any blemishes or spots you want to disguise. Dot the concealer onto those areas, then use your ring finger to gently tap and blend. The ring finger applies the least pressure, which is perfect for the delicate under-eye area. This targeted approach brightens and perfects your skin without piling on product or making your makeup look cakey. You'll notice your complexion looks more awake and even, but still fresh and natural. In just a few minutes, you'll look refreshed, well-rested, and ready to take on the day. The best part? Your skin still looks like skin. No need for fancy brushes or sponges. Your hands are your best tools for this step, making it quick and easy, even if you're in a rush. Now that your complexion is even and glowing, you're ready to add a pop of color to bring your face to life. Let's move on to blush and lips to give your look a healthy, radiant finish. On to the next step. Let's keep building your effortless, everyday makeup look. Time to add color and bring your face to life. Use a cream blush. It's quick, blendable, and works for both cheeks and lips. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks, dab on a small amount, and blend upward with your fingers. The creamy texture gives a natural, dewy glow. With the same blush, tap a bit onto your lips for a soft, harmonious tint. This two-in-one trick saves time and ties your look together. No need for extra products or tools. A little color instantly makes you look healthier and more awake. It's a game changer for busy mornings. Simple, fast, and fresh. Let's make your eyes pop next. Ready for bright eyes? Eyes can look bright and awake with just a couple of quick steps. Swipe a shimmery neutral cream eyeshadow across your lids with your finger. No blending needed. This instantly adds light and dimension. Next, apply mascara. Just 1 or 2 coats to define and open up your eyes. Wiggle the wand at the base and pull through to the tips for volume. If you have a few extra seconds, curl your lashes first for an even bigger impact. These steps take less than a minute, but make your eyes stand out. No complicated techniques, just easy, effective touches. You'll look more awake and polished in no time. Eyes done. Let's lock in your look. Almost finished. Let's set everything in place. You've created a fresh look. Now make it last. The quickest way? Setting spray. Mist it over your face to meld makeup and keep it in place all day. Prefer a matte finish? Lightly dust translucent powder on your T-zone with a fluffy brush. Spot powdering controls shine without dulling your glow. This final step takes seconds, but keeps your makeup looking fresh. Think of it as the top coat for your look. Whether you use spray or powder, you'll have peace of mind all day. Your quick routine is complete. Now let's talk about the most important part, confidence. That's it, a super simple, speedy routine for even the busiest mornings. Remember, makeup is about feeling good, not perfection. Use this routine as a starting point and make it your own. Some days you might just want concealer and mascara. Other days, add a pop of color. The real magic is the confidence you gain. When you feel good, you carry yourself differently, taller, brighter, ready for anything. Practice makes perfect. Soon, this routine will be second nature. Take a moment for yourself, smile and step out the door knowing you're ready. Your beauty is in your spirit, not just your products. Wear your confidence. It's the best makeup of all. Have an amazing day.